whenever you feel very uncertain in life, you feel, nothing you can see ahead in your life, nothing is working, just just have a faith the way Arjuna had on Lord Shri Krishna. Let me tell you the story of Jaindrath. You all must be knowing, but the way now I will tell you, your life will, shift. When Abhimanyu died and Arjun came back to the Yuddha Bhumi, um, Arjun decided that tomorrow I will kill Jaindrath. And if I couldn't kill him before, the sunset, Arjun said that the I will kill myself in the chitta. Okay. And next day comes, and what Kaurav does, they decide to, you know don't even allow Jendra to come to the battle place. What they do is they keep him away from the battle place, and for whole day they keep waiting, like, now Jendrath will come and all these things. But ultimately what happens, the sunset comes, and everyone feels like, yeah, now Arjun has to die. All people were like Duryodhan and his friends, his brothers were very happy that, now Arjun will get killed. At that time, what happened? Arjun was on his chariot with Lord Shri Krishna. He looks at Lord Shri Krishna and he says to him that, Lord Shri Krishna, you are a god. If this is happening with me, that means इसमें भी मेरे लिए कुछ अच्छा होगा. He said, I don't have a doubt on you at all. You are Ishwar, and if this is your ichha, I accept it. And he gets down from the chariot with full faith. If this is your ichha, Lord Shri Krishna, I'm okay with it. And then he starts walking towards the chitta, the Agni chitta, fire chitta, where he was about to enter. And at that time Shakuni comes, because Shakuni had a doubt that, how come sunset will come so early. And then Shakuni was a very smart guy. He understood that Lord Shri Krishna has done something. And then he was somewhere in the Yuddha Bhumi, and he comes back, and everyone was laughing. Duryodhan was very happy. Everyone was laughing at him that, oh my god, now Arjun is going to die. And then Shakuni gets angry, and Shakuni says that, Lord Shri Krishna, why your Sudarshan Chakra has covered the sun? And Arjun was like, oh my god, he was, moving ahead. Now he just sit quiet, and, he stand at the same place and he look it back. And he became very happy. But you know what? Till that moment, he never even doubted for a second that, this is whatever is happening is not for my good. That means, what I would like to tell you is that have a complete faith in Lord Shri Krishna. Surrender to him. Let me tell you, everything will shift. And still, if you feel anxiety, you are feeling anxious, or you are feeling, still I'm feeling not good. So keep that faith and keep saying that everything is working for my greater good, even if I'm not able to see it as per perfect divine time and perfect divine order. I trust the process of Lord Shri Krishna. Okay, I will give these lines in the description also, but this statement is miracle. Trust me, whatever will happen in your life, keep saying this statement and you will feel relief. You know what? I have implemented this thing in my life a lot of time. Lot of situations came in my life where, I was like, nothing I can't see. Nothing. I'm not able to see anything in my life. मतलब यहाँ से यहाँ पे जाने के लिए भी I was not knowing the रास्ता. And I used to say this statement consistently. And trust me, this is a magic. Throw yourself in his world and don't even think for a second what will happen. Trust me, nothing will happen. You will be in a safe and, a very, very, very empowering zone, because you are in safe hands. Just have a faith on Lord Shri Krishna completely and move ahead in your life. Trust me, no worry, no anxiety, no uncertainty can touch you. So if you feel connected with this content, please follow whatever I'm telling you in this reel, implement these things, and subscribe to my channel Krishnavedi Rajita. See you in the next reel. Bye bye. Jai Shri Krishna.